To create a data entry form in Excel, the first thing we need to do is add the form control to the Quick Access toolbar. This area here is known as the Quick Access toolbar. To add buttons to the Quick Access toolbar, click on the drop-down menu. Choose More Controls. Choose All Commands to see all available controls. You can add any buttons you regularly use to the Quick Access toolbar here. Scroll down until you see the Form control. Bear in mind the options are in sections, so they aren't always in alphabetical order. Highlight the Form control and click the Add button. You will then see the Form control in the Quick Access toolbar list. Click OK to apply. The Form control is now on the Quick Access toolbar. Type in the titles for the data you wish to see on your form. Select the first title. Then click on the Form control button. If you haven't formatted the row as labels, this message will be displayed. You can just click OK to continue, or click Help for more information on labels. The form will then display as a pop-up window. You can type the data in the fields and either click Enter or Next to submit to the spreadsheet. You will then get a blank form for the next row. You can use the scroll bar or the Find buttons to navigate the list. You can also edit the information directly on the form.